It's July 2nd, 2023. You can see a lot of mulberries has fallen to the ground, and a lot of mulberries has turned dark purple, and they're all ready to be harvested. And there's also a few raspberries that we can harvest. These ones are probably not well pollinated, so it's not going to be fall fruits. And this is the harvest I did today on July 2nd. You can see a lot of mulberries and some raspberries. Now it's July 9th, 2023. You can see the garden is getting a lot lusher. Let's start the update here with the wildflower pot. You can see the California poppy is producing more flowers again, and we also have some sweet alyssum on the side. Here's the raspberry. More fruits are developing. You can see here some more that we can harvest today. These fruits are looking fuller, more pollinated, that is. Asparagus looks pretty much the same. This one is really tall and lots of potato plants. The mulberry has stopped producing fruits. As you can see, pretty much all the fruits are gone now. Rhubarb looks pretty much the same. Lots of leaves. Pineapple, you can see the leaves have turned red due to sun exposure. Here's the blueberry. I'm seeing one blue matured fruit that's ready to be harvested today. Other than that, all the other fruits are still green and are still maturing. Here's the grape. The grape is doing really well. There's actually a lot of grapefruits that are developing right now. You can see here's a nice cluster of different sizes. And yeah, it's sort of all over the plant. Not sure if everything's gonna mature, but that's the hope. Let's look at the first flower cluster. I think it's this one over here. You can see the grape is getting quite big. Hopefully we'll get to harvest these grapefruits. Yep, they're all over the plant. Here's the lavender. It's flowering still. You can see a lot of flowers have opened. They've been attracting a lot of bees. Here you can see a bumblebee. And also a honeybee. Right here's another honeybee. The catnip flowers have opened, and it's also attracting the bees. You can see here's a honeybee. Here's the broccolini. Broccolini flowers have let it completely grown to full size. It's actively still flowering. It's also attracting some bees. Here's the Chinese lantern plant, still growing really slowly. And this is the harvest I did today. Quite some raspberries and one single blueberry. And here's the hydrangea. The flowers have opened and they have changed color. These ones are kind of pink. And then these ones over here are kind of purple. I think these are from different hydrangea plants. That's why they're different colors. And yeah, I think there's more flowers that's gonna open pretty soon and turn to some beautiful colors.